It's just difficult for us to judge with just seeing someone else having that kind of going through that kind of situation. When we say like things like "oh, it's very easy for us to say that things.
Yeah.
But only the people who have gone through that thing, they know actual Nepali. I think you know Biplab. I think you're best at it.
Okay. I'm going to
It's
tell about
not.
one story. I've been in this situation when I went to Kathmandu after passing my SLC. There were friends from Tikapur who called me, and I went to their room, and they were already in drug addiction. The only reason behind calling me to their room was to snatch money from me. And I had been that situation, and they constrained me. They were telling me, please take drugs. And you know what I did after that? I just carried my slippers in my hand and ran away bare. This is
Actually, I want to ask you, if you wear the sandal in your hand, is it coming the more power to run?
sandal.
No, he was afraid that he might lose his sandal.
But he wearing the sandal on his arm. He ran away. So always want to ask, is it sandal giving
He
you
was
power to
worried he
run?
might lose his sandal. That's why he was protecting it.
Oh, I will tell you. This is this very, very unique technique that we use. Like when we have the sandals, the Hatichak sandal, it works very nicely. You put it like this, okay?
Yeah.
The one that is like this, okay? The 3-1, you put your hands on it. I cannot because my mobile.
Yeah.
I have to hold my mobile for the sound. So you have to put it like that. When you are running, you push like when you are going
Like
a boat.
accident. Yeah.
You push and then you run. You push the air and you run faster. All right.
Oh.
That's how we do it. Time.
Oh,
Thank you for the advice, Tara. I'm gonna try it.
To run.
I'm gonna try it.
Am I right, Biplab ji?
Biplab
Yeah,
already have
definitely.
success, but he said now he's going to try.
He's again gonna try. Don't worry.
Yeah, surprisingly.
Yeah, apply that. Oh my god.
Just try it. How fast you can run, you can see it after that.
Oh, I used to feel like I was Superman, when I had slippers in my hand and I was jumping, and running at the same time. When I was probably 14, 15 years old, and I used to do that. Actually, I used to put the slippers in my hand and I used to run barefoot. All right,
And foot wearing shoes or naked?
naked, naked.
Barefoot.
Yeah, barefoot.
Yes. No, Biplab ji, steaming naked. Okay.
Don't use that word. He might get excited.
Yeah, I know. JB Dai, he likes this kind of stuff, He knows he wanted to have steaming time with his girlfriend before he dies, like in 24 hours, right? I was surprised. I don't know.
JP brother, where are you from?
He's also
JP,
from
hello.
Japan.
Yeah.
I'm from Nawalprasi, currently in abroad, like that.
Eri, come up. We want to hear from you. It's okay. You can do it. Full Eri, okay?
Harry is really happy right now.
Sarah,
But
that's coming for you.
while I running that time might be have to use the Hatri chap chapel. No, another chapel is not helping me, I think.
No, Dai. it's
Sarah,
okay.
I think you have forgotten to take your food.
My food is being delivered. Biplab ji, don't worry about me, okay?
Okay.
You're
very lucky. I
caring.
mean, like you must not.
Don't
Because
care
you-
for me, okay, Biplab ji? I'm very contagious. You know contagious? Okay, if you know what contagious is, I'm very contagious. And if you try to follow me, don't follow me, okay? Don't follow me here in TikTok also. I'm very contagious. If you follow me,
I'm not gonna breathe down your neck.
If you have already followed, unfollow.
I'm not gonna
you
breathe
think-
down your neck. Don't worry.
Breathe what?
Breathe down your neck. Do you know what does it mean?
No, please elaborate.
It means that to follow someone.
Breathe what? What was the word? I couldn't understand. I'm sorry.
Breathe.
Break down my neck.
Breathe down your neck.
Better you write on comment section, it will be helping first.
Oh, you will not breathe down my neck.
Breathe
Breathe.
now.
Breathe. The. Breathe down my neck.
Okay, breathe down my neck.
Yes, that's how. Breathe. How do I understand? If you don't understand, how do I understand that you understand? Understand?
You are better understand.
You understand?
You better understand.
Okay,
I
Understand.
not
hear me
understand.
here.
You will
Hello.
not understand. Who understand?
If you're Biplab ji, If you understand, say understand. If you don't understand, say don't understand. But if you understand and you say don't understand, how do I understand that you understand? Understand?
Understand.
Goodness.
Okay, let's hear from Chermi. Hello, welcome, sister.
Hi, Jeremy.
Hello.
Hi, what's up?
Harry is telling me that she wants to take my place. Okay, I'm feeling sleepy right now. Harry, do you want to
Okay.
come up? Someone, is there someone who is waiting in a life?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm gonna go.
We do have
Guys,
7.
good night. I will come
Okay,
tomorrow.
take care,
And
brother.
Sarah, take your food.
Thank you, Biplabji. Thank you very much. Kamal, you want me to go down? You can pull up somebody. I will have my dinner and then I can come back later on. Okay?
Okay, Raju brother wants to join.
We just have like 6 minutes. No, we just have 6 minutes.
We do have 6 minutes more.
Okay, then let's start.
Hi,
Yeah.
everyone.
Okay, let's hear from
Hi, Jeremy.
Chermi then.
Hello. Hi, everyone.
Hello, welcome. How are you?
I'm good. How about you?
Really great.
Thank you.
Today we're talking about you do have last 24 hours in your life. Then what will you be doing? With whom and why?
24 hours only.
Yeah. Last 24 hours. That's pretty long time.
Yeah.
If you don't know questions in your examination. Okay, go ahead.
If I have a 24 hours, I would like to. I would like to enjoy with my family, friends, and loved one.
That's
And
the point.
But I think they have to ask you to choose one person.
one person.
We'll be asking that
Yes.
next.
I'll choose my parents. I'll choose my parents and want to go to enjoy in Nigeria Falls with my parents. And thanks to my parents and gifts to them I say that thanks to my parents who gave me such a beautiful life, who gave me all the necessary materials that I needed in my life, and quality education that achieved in my life. And thanks to them who give me a lesson, who give me a memories and experience in my life, and tell them that forgive me if I did the wrong deeds. That's all.
What about single loved ones among loved ones?
Yeah.
Like, regardless, they're not going to leave you.
I don't know. I'm experienced in that. That's why I don't know.
This is not the question like to know whether you are single or mingle,
No, I'm a single. That's
but we get the answer by without asking like no. Just kidding.
no.
That's why you don't have any experience about that.
I
That's
didn't
why
want to.
that's why before you go then you need to have experience too. Isn't that? What about
No. Just I want my parents. That's all.
But I would be enjoying doing something different that I haven't done yet. That's why I'm asking that. If I don't have experience of doing something, I'll be trying to do that. Okay, Ari, finally you're here. I know to say something.
Hello, Eddie.
And first of all, we want to congratulate you. Your voice is back because she was shouting because even
Yeah.
that she was not like able to speak, but she was trying to sing the song together, and the people they were enjoying dancing. Oh my god! But in background she was shouting, singing the song together, and finally her voice was back on that day. So crazy moment.
But last 24 is like I want to eat some foods that I like, and I always like refrain myself from eating. First of all, that. Secondly, I'll give my insurance paper to my best friend because he's the nominee, and then travel to her, and I'll be like, hey, I want my funeral to be done in this way. So this is the money that is coming to you. So I wanted all that, and then the most of the fun time that I've always had is with her. So yes, I'll be with her, spending my last minute, eating, dancing, drinking, everything, planning my funeral. That would be my Last 24
Nice.
hours, yes.
So then, what about the
I don't have the boyfriend. I don't even plan to have one. Not even required. Don't even dream about it. Don't even think about it.
well? I think you had before. You never had in your
A
life.
shitty relationship, yes.
You had, right? So okay. May I ask you one question then?
Just one,
Is it
okay? It's already in.
okay? Okay then, yeah. I want to ask you, like, suppose like your boyfriend just got a ticket for you for like 1 week, like vacation to the just say like Hawaii, Switzerland, and at the same day, like unfortunately, you got a final examination. Which one you gonna choose?
The guy can live his life. I will go do my examination.
Oh, wow, smart girl.
1 minute past the time limit.
Okay,
Time
good
to
night,
end the
everyone.
life.
साराजीले खाना लिएर आउनु भयो
यसको पछाडि साराजीको लाइफ
हो
Okay, I have to go.
यसको पछाडि साराजीको लाइफमा जाने तिमी चाहिँ सुत्नु जाने म यहाँ तिमी खेदाउनु मात्रै आएको
म त सुत्नु 6:30 बजे काममा जानुपर्छ अनि
मेरो नि
Talk Nepali, because of if she listen Eri again asking too much question. Better.
Yeah, because guys, I see all friends on live whole day. Oh my god, I'm really jealous. I also need that free time. Oh my god.
Okay, I have to go. Bye, everyone.
Oh, okay,
Bye-bye.
thank you so
Bye-bye.
much, sister. Thank you for
Thanks
joining.
for calling. Yeah.
Thank
Take
you
care.
for me.
See you tomorrow.
Okay, you too. Bye.
We'll have more interesting topic tomorrow too. Don't
Okay.
miss.
Okay, bye bye.
Okay,
Bye bye. Yeah.
take care.
Have a great time.
Take care, stay hydrated. See you all tomorrow or next time, whenever is that.
Okay then, guys. Actually, it's time for me also to leave. I want to say bye to everybody. Yeah, thanks from all, bro. Yeah, for
Okay.
having me here, and thanks everybody, Sarah sister, Ari, and everybody, JP sir, and everybody
Okay,
watching.
take care.
Tanya too.
Okay.
Good
Are
night,
you
good night.
eating more?
Sleep. Kamalji, sleep. Momo, I ate momo. Momo was hot and it was chicken. I don't eat pork. And then I have kimchi. So I ate.
सबै यता नदेखा
पुरा खानु मन लाग्यो ओके भोलि बनाएर खाने
Okay, good night guys. Thank you so much for being here.
Bye.